Mr. Sarthak, question number 13. Show that when A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5, the rectangle is in fact a square. How should I do this question?
So it will be 4 raised to power 2 upon 2 plus 3 into 4.
So you will just put the value of A is equal to 4 here, and then you will put the B value of B is equal to 5 here.
Yes, sir.
So Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So Aryaman, is it correct? 16 upon 2. 8 plus 12. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 into 10 is 20. So both of these are 20. So this is actually a square. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So a simple question where you have to just put the value of A is equal to 4 in this expression. So this side comes to be 20. And then when you put the value of B is equal to 5 here, again it comes to be 20. So basically this figure looks like this. This is 20 and this is 20. Therefore, this has to be a square. Nice. Satya, how should I do this?
So we have to. Yes, sir. So now we have to first we have to find out the value of it, and then we have to multiply it. So
What is the value that you get?
sir, I haven't completed it.
Sarthak, have you done?
So I got 20.
And what was your B equal to? For B,
So again I got B because it's a square.
acha, it would be the same, na? It would be the same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it would be the same. So this would be 20, this would be 20. This is the same as part 1. Okay, okay. So perimeter of the square would be, Mr. Sarthak?
So 20 into 4.
4 into 20 is equal to 80. Satya, have you understood?
So, but now it is 20 and 20, so we have to multiply both of them, right? Okay, so we have to find. Okay, I
You have to
understood.
find the perimeter.
Yes, sir. I thought it was area.
You have to find the perimeter. This is 20, this is 20. So the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of the square, which is equal to 4 into 20, which will be equal to 80 units. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Write an expression for the perimeter of the square above in terms of A only. Sarthak, were you able to do this?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. See, what they are saying is write an expression for the perimeter of the square above in terms of A only. So what they are saying is, basically what they are saying is, this is a square. And this side is A square upon 2 upon 3. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what they are saying is, write this, the perimeter of the square. In terms of A only. So this is A. So the perimeter would be equal to 4 times the length. What is the length? Length is A square by 2 plus 3. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, have you understood now? Sarthak, have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
So then you can solve for this. 2 would be the denominator. This would be a square plus 6a. This 2 and this 4 will cancel. This will be twice of a square plus 6a. Satya, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Satya, can you tell me how to find the second part? In terms of b only?
Yes, sir. So we have to only multiply it by 4 only. So
Yes, yes.
we have
yes.
to do 4 into 2b
Yes.
bracket b raised to power 2 minus 4b minus 3.
Yes. So the perimeter is equal to 4 into 2b, b square minus 4b minus 3. This would be 8b into b square minus 4b minus 3. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Use the expression in part C. Use the expression in part C to work out the perimeter of the square when a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. Satya, how should we do this? See, this is the expression. This is the perimeter that you have found in terms of a. Can you note this down? Satya?
Yes, sir.
P is equal to twice of a square plus 6a. Just note this down. And the second expression that you need to note down is P is equal to 8b into b square minus 4b into 3. Just note this down. Because this will help you to find the D part. In D part, what they are saying is use the expression in part C. That is this expression and this expression to work out the perimeter of the square when a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. So basically, you have to put a is equal to 4 here and you have to put b is equal to 5 here. Mr. Sarthak, is it making sense or not?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
See, the question seems to be a bit complicated, but it is a pretty simple question. All you need to do is there is a algebraic expression which is given. You just need to put the value of a is equal to whatever they require and b is equal to 5, and then you have to find the values.
So we only have to write, so like over here we did 8b. So instead of b, we have to write 5. Like that only, right?
Yeah. See, Satya, if you observe closely, actually in all the parts they have put a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So basically in all the parts, your perimeter and area would be the same only. There won't be any difference. Mr. Aryaman, do we agree?
Yes.
Satya, is there any doubts?
No, sir.
So for example, here when I put a is equal to 4, then the expression would be twice of 4 square plus 24. This would be twice of 16 plus 24. 2, 3, 4, 40. And this would be equal to 80. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now when I come here I have to put the value of b is equal to 5. So I need to put the value of b is equal to 5 here. So 8 into 5. 5 square minus 4 into 5 minus 3. So this would be 40 into 25 minus, this would be 20 minus 3 minus 20 minus 3. This would be minus 23. This would be 40 into 2. This would be 80. Satya, have you got the logic?
Yes, sir.
See, the answer would remain the same because it is a square. This is 20, this is 20, this is 20, this is 20. So howsoever you find the perimeter would always be equal to 80. So that is why when you put the value of b is equal to 5, then also you find 80. And when you put the value of a is equal to 4, then also you find 80. Sarthak, have you got the logic?
Yes, sir.
Please try to understand. In the beginning only, the author has said that actually this rectangle is in fact a square. Have you understood? The author is putting a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5. So this a, here also when you find b, your perimeter would be 80. Here also when you put a is equal to 4 or b is equal to 5, your perimeter would remain the same. So are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Shahriman, are we clear?
Yes.